Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a facial mask that is going to tighten your skin. It's going to help reduce dark spots. For those of you that have acne prone skin, this mask will really improve moisture on your skin because it's full of hydrating properties. And for those of you suffering from sagging skin, it's going to help you to more like lift your skin with regular use. Okay. My name is Chikelly, and if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please click the subscribe button and support this channel. Be part of this community and you will not regret it. Don't forget to click the notification button as well as you're clicking the subscribe button so that when I upload new videos, you will get notified. And for my returning subscribers, what can I do without you? I am grateful and I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. So let me show you how to prepare this amazing mask. Okay. Now finish application. It can be a bit messy, but don't worry about it. You should only be worried about the benefit because it's so good and it smells nice too because of the honey in it. Oh, this is very tight, like really tight. Oh my goodness. So like after 10 minutes you feel the mask tightening up. It more like transform from liquid to very matte. Now I'm going to wash it off and then we'll see what my face looks like afterwards. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at how my face is glowing. If you use this mask regularly, it's definitely going to improve your skin texture. And it's going to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles like I mentioned earlier because it tightens your skin. So anything that has got to do with premature aging on your skin, it will definitely improve your skin tone. I'm not joking, guys. Look at that. Look at how my skin is glowing after just one use. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe once again. And click the notification button as well, please. If you like this video, please share it, share my videos. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment below, and once again, thank you so much. I appreciate all your support. Okay, remember, Chika loves you. Take care. Bye.